Hi guys,
Hi friend, this is Selena from Mychway.
this is Salman from Mychway. Welcome to our live.
Hello, welcome to our live
Hi
stream.
guys, welcome to our live.
Yeah, today we will introduce two new machines to you. One is cavitation machine, another is bottom vacuum breast massage machine.
And
Hello.
hi, and we will have a coupon for you guys for today's live stream.
So today we will introduce these two new machines, but first we will introduce the cavitation machine.
Yes.
So which one is the new machine we need to share to our customers?
Well, this one on the right side is the new machines. It is 10-in-1 new launched cavitation machines that we're gonna introduce for today's live stream. Also, we will introduce a new launch vacuum massage therapy machine for today's live stream.
But for these two machines, I mean, it looks is the same. What is the difference between these two machines?
It's hard to see the differences actually between those two machines. But if you close the camera to the screen, you can. So it has the touch screen with the new launched 10-in-1 cavitation machine. So this one is the 9-in-1 cavitation machine that we have been selling for several years. And it's a hot seller in our Mychway, but it's the finger touch screen, so it will react slower than the touch screen.
Okay, so the difference is the screen.
Yeah, and for the touch screen, here our Mychway will offer a logo edit services to the touch screen machine, so you can add your logos to the touch screen. After adding the logos, when you turn on the machine, your logo will be.
Hello, welcome to our live stream.
So your logo will be displayed on the screen after you add in your logo on the screen instead of the welcome, and it's 1 unit for free. So this is the difference, one of the difference between these two machines.
It's only the touch screen's difference. I mean, what about the functions? Is there any functions difference between them?
So there are another differences between the machines from the 10-in-1 machine. It has extra pair of EMS pads, and this one does not have the extra.
Welcome.
And it's mainly for body detox or body massage. Also it's helpful for the fat releasing after the cavitation and radiofrequency treatment. And another function of it is to do the massage or muscle building.
Okay, so it's only one pair?
Yes, only one pair for this machine.
Hello, welcome.
So it has a touch screen. This one that did not have the touch screen. Click the screen fastly, so it will react faster.
Welcome.
Hi guys. And the screen is more vivid than the finger touch one, because you can see the picture for the handles. From the machine, you can barely see what handle you will be using, even if you hit it, and it will reacting slowly. So this is one of the advantage for the touch screen.
Yes, this is the two machines. Maybe many customers have saw it before, but we still need to introduce these handles to customers and what is the function for each others. So
the first one is the 40K cavitation 2.0 version. So this one is basically for weight loss and fat loss, and also for body slimming.
Yes, and what about this one? These handles, what is this?
And it is the regular two-polar radiofrequency with the vacuum. So it's basically for skin tightening because it has suction on it and the radiofrequency, and also it's for body detox. So it's recommended to use the essential oil.
Essential oil?
Yes.
I guess we have the hot cream. Can we use hot cream with vacuum?
Hot cream is a kind of sticky stuff, so it may cause clogged. But
so it is the same as the gel.
Yes. If you are insist in using the cream or gel, I recommend you to use a little bit. Just a little small little bits gel or cream on the treatment area and smooth it around so that it will not seem so sticky. And then you can use the vacuum.
Okay.
But most of the time, it's recommended to use essential oil only for the vacuum.
Okay, so for not stuck in the handle.
Yes.
Okay. So next, what about these 3 handles? Radio frequency. Why we have 3 handles here?
Yes.
I mean, it's just the size difference.
So basically, the bigger treatment, bigger radio frequency prong is basically for the bigger treatment area for your body. Like 6 polar one is for your belly or for your thighs. Also for, you can also use this on your arms if your arm is big enough. If not, you may use the 4 polar ones. So the four polar one can be used for the small body parts and the bigger body parts for.
I guess it also can use on the face, right? Because I mean, it's very small.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can use this on the chin.
Okay.
And your forehead. And your forehead.
Got it.
And also you can use this on the forehead as well because it's small enough. But this one is more it's more likely for the face round or the small body parts. So it's more for wrinkle removal to make you, it's more for anti-aging.
Okay, so I guess maybe next time is the lip laser.
Yes.
And as you can see, we have 6 big pedals here. This is 6 big lip laser pedal.
Yes.
And also we got 2 small lip pedals here. And because this machine is already including the cavitation, radio frequency, and vacuum radio frequency functions. So the lip laser pedals is only 5 meter ways. And that's why we recommend to use these pedals after cavitation, radio frequency, and vacuum treatment.
Yes.
The F when you use on the face, what is the level recommended? Yeah, so we suggest the level from 1 to 3 at the beginning. So after you feel the worm is not enough for you, you can add it to the 4, 5, 6 or more higher. Okay?
Yes.
Hope you can get it 1, 2, 3 far away from you too. Laser. And the next is the cold hammer. The cold hammer is to close your pores, so it is used on your face. You can use it after the F treatment. Or the dermabrasion treatment, because when your pores is open, you need to close it to make it more small. So this is the final So this is the final treatment after your facial. Okay, so if there are no more questions about these 2 machines, we need to move to our another new machine, the bottom vacuum breast massage machine. Okay, so let's move to the next machine. Yes, it's new cups. It's a new design for us, and it's really very new machine. Maybe 2 days ago, we just shared this machine to our customers.
Yes.
So we have 2 different size cups here.
So it has 2 different size with this machine. The bigger ones has 108 and 116 millimeters, and the smaller ones has just 10 differences of millimeters. Today we will we prepare treatments with this machine with the smaller size cups. So the size basically has the EMS functions from the black parts. It's basically for breast lifting or breast enlargement, also for bust lifting and bust enlargements. It also has the vibration stuff here, so you will feel a little bit vibration inside the middle of the cups. Okay, because there are some cups with the vibration function, so the vibration spool will be go back and forth due to the suction.
Yes, I think maybe we can start turn on the machine and share the suction, the massage to customers.
Yes, why not?
Okay,
let's
so here, so as we can see here is the suction, vacuum meters and release time. So we want to show you how it looks like when it is working. So now we set the suction maybe to 4.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the working time. The working time you can set it at 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes, or more longer.
Yes.
So it's not a problem. And this is the vibration is on and off. So if you want the vibration working, the massage working, you need to turn it on. But if you do not want it to working at the same time, just click it off. It
Yes.
will not working when you turn on. And this is energy of the EMS. We got the largest is
It's 10.
It's 10. It's
It's
9.
9.
Yeah, it's 9. Because this is just try, so maybe we can just set it in true.
Yes.
And
Welcome to
then
live.
because we are doing the test, so we only have one cup to working, and we use another tubes is make it not leaking the suction.
Yes.
So this one will have suction now.
So if you use 1 cups only, it's better to fasten another tube to make sure the air is not leaking out.
Yeah.
So now you can use 1 cups only. And you can feel a little bit microcurrents from the black side, and also you can feel the vibration also on the middle of the cups, inside the cups. And also you can hear the vibration from the cups. And if you want to compare another regular cups from us.
Yes, the another cup is very simple.
So we will do a display or treatments to our models.
We can start the treatment
now.
now.
To welcome our experts and our models to display the treatment for us. So the
and first we will show the cavitation machine, and later we will do and before the cavitation treatment, as you can see, because our beauty will apply some gels on the belly and a little cold.
And the first step we will see, the operation will be moving the cavitation handles back and forth on the sides of the belly. Then do it on the middle of the belly in a circle way for a live stream.
Okay, so how long should we do the cavitation? I mean, it's been maybe like a few minutes now.
Yeah, for our live stream, we will usually do it for 5 minutes. But if you are new to this machine, you can do it for 10 to 15 minutes for the cavitation. And if you are a professional, if you are an expert for this machine, you can do it for like 20 minutes. So that really depends on your client.
So I mean, as you can see, the machine has lip laser and the cavitation handles. I mean, between them, what is better, cavitation or lip laser?
Cavitation and lip laser are an excellent alternative to surgical procedures such as liposuction. They are also safer with less risk and side effects than procedures such as cool sculpting.
Okay, so what is the next step after the cavitation? I mean, we maybe have 5 minutes now already. Should we next move to next step?
Yeah, the next step will be the vacuum radio frequency.
Vacuum radio frequency?
Yeah. So the next step is to use the radio frequency vacuum handle.
Yeah.
Set up the time of treatment and then the radio frequency energy into 2. There's a pour and NOR mode. Usually we will use the pour mode. And the suction will be M2. And there's another point you have to pay attention to is to adjust the vacuum. 洗力可以吗？这样的。
Before the treatment, the beauty just applied the gel on the berry. So what else should I do before the cavitation treatment?
Well, it's recommended to have ultrasound cavitation. You should follow a low-fat or low-carb diet and drink at least 2 liters of water 24 hours before your treatment. For 3 days following your treatments, you should continue to drink 3 to 5 liters of water a day. And there's another way for you guys to lose weight easily is to sleep more than 7 to 8 hours a day.
It's a little boring for them. So what's the next step for the?
Yeah, let's move on to the EMS pad. Yeah, let's do it. Let's switch to another treatment.
Okay.
So because the radio frequency vacuum is basically better than the radio frequency only, because the vacuum can suck the skin, and the skin will be suctioning.
And now we are going to the next step is the EMS pedals. Before the EMS pedals, we need to apply some gels on each pedals. if you do not apply gel, you may cannot feel the current.
Yeah, and
also,
vacuum.
yeah, also because the pedals do not have anything to hold, we needed the straps to hold on the belly, and then we put the pedals on the belly, and now we start turn on it.
So to prevent any skin burns, and so let's turn off the EMS function.
And the strap clean the belly. Okay, give it to me. Okay, thank you.
And the next machine will be the second machine that we have
it's the vacuum breast massage machine,
but
we cannot do it on our breast, as you know, it's in the video, so cannot do it.
Yeah.
So we will just do it on our model's belly, so you can see how it's working.
So we will display the machine with the vacuum therapy on the belly.
Yes, this is the vacuum breast cups.
Yeah. And I guess there are some live stream they displaying the butt lifting.
Yes, you also need to apply some creams on your belly.
And I guess there are some live in the United States. They display the treatments of vacuum on the belly and on the bust or on the breast. Now we have set up the vibration function.
Okay, so now we can
and we can see it's suctioning. The suction is going on.
Okay, so yes, move it to close to the body so you can see the massage. Well, it's really comfortable. I don't know why, but I want to try it by myself.
Yeah, maybe, I really want to try it.
Yeah, maybe it's someone.
So what we are doing now is to show how it works, how the massage vacuum cups works, and for the treatment area. So it's similar to do it on the breast and the bust. So this is how you will see and how you will do if you. And actually, the main function for the breast for the cups is to enlarge the area. What I mean, the fat reduction is just a little bit function of fat reduction. And it's more likely to do skin tightening because there's a wet light therapy on the middle.
Okay,
so you don't have to worry about the treatment area will be the size of the treatment area will be smaller.
Okay, so Nikki said can be the vibration turned off.
Yeah, there's a vibration section here. You can turn it off.
And there is no vibration.
The vibration will be off and the lights will be off. And you can, if you want it, you can turn on again.
Yes, correct.
So it is adjustable. You can do it during the treatment. You don't have to stop the machine.
I think it's time to move to finish the live stream treatment. No.
Yeah, it's almost time for the end of our live stream. So after using it.
Yeah, so we are finishing the vacuum breast.
Yes. So if you are new here, if you did not subscribe us, you can. If you are from Alibaba, you can get the coupons on the right side, on the top right side of the live stream. You can get the $15% off for any of the machines which is over $100. So just leave comments of what you want to watch to our next live stream. So tomorrow we will display how the SKYPE machine, which is the 30K cavitation machine, how to do it, what to do, how the machine is, and what is the treatments, how to do the treatments. We will display you tomorrow at 10 p.m. New York time, and Alibaba channel, YouTube channel, Facebook channel, also the Instagram channel. So you can follow us. So I guess this is the end for our live stream. And if you have comments, just leave it to us. We will apply it or reply you as soon as possible.
Okay, so time to say goodbye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.